One of the ways to find great stock ideas is to look for stocks which are similar to those you already love. Seeking Alpha offers an easy and powerful way to do that with the Peers tab. Start by going to your portfolio and clicking on a stock you happily own. Alternatively, click on the search bar in the top right corner of the screen and type in the stock you know you like. In this case, let's use Boeing. If you don't know the stock symbol or ticker, simply type the company name into the search bar and select it from the menu. Once you've reached the stock's quote page, click on Peers. You will see in front of you two lists of stocks. The first list is a list of stocks that people who follow Boeing on Seeking Alpha are also following, and are stocks with similar investment characteristics to Boeing. The second list is a list of stocks that are most frequently mentioned in articles with Boeing. These are stocks that compete with Boeing. At the top of the page, you can choose which information you want to see about these stocks. If you like Boeing for its dividend, you can choose to see dividend information for Boeing's peers. Or you can check out their growth or valuation. The site will remember your last choice and will show you that view the next time you look at the peers of any other stock. Free Seeking Alpha users see 5 peers in each list. If you're subscribed to Seeking Alpha Essential or Pro, you will see 14 peers in each list, giving you a much richer set of investing ideas.